Hello, DeLorean DMC-12, an innovative sports car, produced from 1981-1983, with gull-wing doors and stainless steel body panels. It should have been the commercial coupe of the century, leading to massive worldwide sales. For this was the car chosen to star in the blockbusting Back to the Future film trilogy 1985-90. Unfortunately, the DeLorean Motor Company DMC had already gone bust, and production of the car had ended before the first movie was released. The problems were all commercial. Savvy entrepreneur John Zachary DeLorean had honed his engineering and management skills in the cutthroat world of American auto manufacture, notably when developing the iconic Pontiac Firebird muscle car. Keen to repeat the trick on his own behalf, he founded the DeLorean Motor Company in 1975 and developed the futuristic DMC-12 for the U.S. market. In an early move towards the manufacturing outsourcing that would later become commonplace, DeLorean shopped around for the best startup deal. He was about to sign with Puerto Rico when a better offer landed on DMC table from a British government desperate to stimulate the stagnating economy of Northern Ireland to help reduce rising sectarian tension. A huge manufacturing plant was built near Lisburn, and the first DMC-12 rolled off the line early in 1981. But the workforce was inexperienced, resulting in quality control issues. The car looked good but was underpowered and overpriced compared with its competition. The DMC-12's revolutionary stainless steel exterior showed every mark from a fingerprint upwards and was hard to paint successfully. So every car leaving the factory looked identical, displeasing image-conscious American consumers whose sporty purchase was supposed to underline their individuality. Sales soon faltered and financial problems ensued. The British government refused to mount a rescue unless matching funds were forthcoming. John DeLorean failed to attract other investors, and despite proclaiming that it was a viable business with money in the bank and a healthy order book, his company went bust in 1982. Some 2,500 jobs were lost, along with more than $100 million in investments. While trying to bankroll his failing company through the sale of cocaine, DeLorean was arrested in a government sting operation in October 1982. The arresting agents, however, were found guilty of entrapment, and DeLorean was acquitted in 1984. When then asked if he planned to return to the car industry, DeLorean famously quipped, "Would you buy a used car from me?" Throughout production, which began on January 21, 1981, the car was generally unchanged, although minor features and parts of the car were changed, such as the hood style and wheels. Over the course of about 24 months spanning 3 model years, about 9,000 DeLoreans were made before production halted in early 1983. In 2007, about 6,500 DeLorean cars were thought to still exist. subscribe to the channel and rate the video in the comments, as well as other interesting videos I have on my channel.